Well, yes, that really has been the problem. In fact, the last visit of the Home Minister, again, a lot more was expected. At that time also there was a talk of reaching out to the stakeholders. Now, since there has been no clarity as to who these stakeholders are, there is no clarity whether there will be an outreach to the separatists or not. That's something that the regional parties, the regional mainstream parties want.
Yes.
But the centre has stopped short of directly naming the separatists as a party and as someone whom they will directly like to engage. But yes, this time around there is a hope, because this is happening after the opposition from the state of Jammu and Kashmir met the Prime Minister. They prized him of the situation, and they of course also quoted the Prime Minister as saying that yes, a dialogue is necessary. They want a permanent solution. He's pained by what's happening in the Kashmir Valley. So in the backdrop of which this visit is significant, there is absolutely no agenda. There is absolutely no schedule of whom he is going to meet or whether there would be separatists or no, but the doors have been kept open. It will be impractical, and it will be far away from the ground reality. Really expect miracle to expect that there will be a meeting between the separatists or the Home Minister. That really is something that may not happen. But at least if you talk of various other stakeholders, there needs to be a positive engagement. There needs to be an intent that needs to be shown on the ground, that yes, it is a serious effort. It's not cosmetic. It's not a PR exercise. They are here to do something about the situation. Force has not helped. More and more BSF, CRPF on the ground will not have help. Has not helped in the last 45 days. There is still tension, unease. People every day are getting injured due to the action of the security forces. So in that way, this visit definitely is significant.